Let's talk about internet service. You may decide to use our internet service, Ithaca Renting Internet Service. We call it IRIS for short. If you do that, it's a separate contract. You do pay one time for an annual fee at the beginning of the year. You can contact the rental office for contract details and see more information online. So if you do connect to our service, you can connect directly to a jack in the wall. If you'd like to just connect your computer or laptop, if it has an Ethernet port directly to the jack, that will connect your device. Or you can do wireless. If you'd like to do Wi-Fi service, you do need to provide your own router. So you would purchase your own router for wireless internet service. We recommend either Belkin or Linksys brand routers. We found that those are reliable for the service that people need here in the building. We have found that people have problems with Netgear or Apple routers because they default to bridge mode when you first plug them in, and that can lead to not being able to connect enough devices. So, Belkin and Linksys are our recommended brands. Once you've purchased a router, you'll connect it to the Ethernet port or jack in your apartment. Let's take a look and find an Ethernet jack. They're usually close to the floor, and often they'll be against the outside wall. I'm looking, I don't see one. So maybe we have to move some furniture. That's common. You might have to move an item around to see where a port is. Oh, look, it's behind a couch. Well, that's not convenient for how I'm planning to set up the furniture in this apartment. So let's look in a bedroom and see if there is an Ethernet port in here somewhere that we can use. Each bedroom will have an Ethernet port, and then the living space will have one as well. Oh look, it's right here. That's a convenient place for me for right now. So let's check this out. So, we're in Collegetown Center. You can see there's multiple little things on here. This one, oh, that's too small. That's an old phone jack port. You don't want to use that one. This won't fit. This is a Category 5 Ethernet cable. Look at that. You clicked and it went right in. So that means that we're connected to the port. You'll also plug in the electric plug, and that will turn on your router. You see it lit up. There's a little blue light. So this is a Belkin router. So now we're plugged in. Now you want to get connected. Your router will typically come with a piece of paper that shows the name of the network. So you will turn on your laptop and you'll look in the wireless settings for the networks. There'll be one preset, so you'll look for that. You'll enter the password that is on here. Each one will be, of course, different. You'll see a lot of different networks because of the other people in the nearby buildings. You can change your network name. You can change your password. Always use your password. When you're purchasing routers, make sure that you choose one that will have capability for the number of devices that you need. So one person might have a laptop, a cell phone, a tablet, a TV, maybe a couple other things, and then plus however many people are in your apartment. So make sure that you get a router that will have that capacity. You don't need the most expensive router that you can find, but you do need to think about the number of devices that you'll actually have from there. All right, so there you go. That's how to set up your router for your wireless service in any of the apartments.